look at these beautiful fish from this dive. 4 different fish and 4 different species. Alright, we're gonna go through these fish now, and the first one is a nice mangrove snapper. Now I normally see these a bit smaller, so I was definitely happy to see one on the bigger side. Alright, our second fish is gonna be a strawberry grouper, and I found this one hiding in a little bit of a cave. And our third fish is gonna be a yellow jack, and this one is one of my favorite fish. They are super tasty. And it is hogfish season right now, and I did spot this guy right here, so happy to see him, and we're gonna fillet these fish up. Now that I have filleted all the fish up, I've put them in this container. That way I can store them in the refrigerator and make a nice tasty dinner later. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next adventure.